We are going to be upgrading this device from Windows 8.1 to a Windows 10 Professional. So if I open the wrong command and here I enter the Windows version for short, you can see we are using a Windows 8.1 Professional. So this is a Windows 8 Professional, and then we want to upgrade this device from Windows 8 to Windows 10. So if you're working as an IT professional, definitely you'll be upgrading your devices from Windows 10 to Windows 11. But there are some scenarios whereby you have a Windows 8 devices, like for example, we have devices that are being used in a hospital. So you have some special software on those devices, and even sometimes in some factories. So you have some special software which, if you try to install the software on a latest version of Windows client operating system, it may not work. So to upgrade this device, what I did is I downloaded the ISO image of Windows 10 operating system from the internet, and I mount it to this device. I'm actually using a VMware Workstation Pro to upgrade this device from Windows 8 to Windows 10. So here you can see we have our DVD ISO image of Windows 10. So double click on setup and then click yes to accept the user account control. So here we go. Right now you can see it says, first of all, is asking, I want to help. Well, I'm going to check that for now, and then we can change how Windows setup download update. But let me just click next. So it's going to say checking for updates. So let's just wait for this, and then we can continue with the upgrade. So what I did is when the checking of update was completed, so I have to enter a product key because it says the Windows 8 operating system was not activated. So when you enter the product key, then I now click next, and then we need to accept the license terms, and then we have to choose what to keep. So it's checking for updates, and this is going to go to about 100%. Okay, we are receiving this following message which says, continue with the installation of Windows. We change your display language. So I'm going to click OK for now. And then we want to say, well, keep personal files and apps, and then install Windows 10 Professional. Then I'm going to say install. So the installation process is going to take some time, and you can see it says 0% complete. This is going to go to 100%. And the device will restart multiple times. So let's just wait for this to get completed. Then we can now move forward. Here we go. You can see that the device have just been upgraded to a Windows 11 to Windows 10 operating system. So right now, let me enter my password. And after upgrading your device to a Windows 10 operating system, if your device is compatible with Windows 11, you still have the opportunity to upgrade your device to a Windows 11 operating system. So let's just wait for this device to log on, and then we can see if our device has fully upgraded. Here you can see that our device, Windows 10 device, is being prepared, and this may take several minutes. So I'm going to pause this video till the Windows 10 process completes. So right now you can see that our device have been upgraded to a Windows 10. So what I need to do right now is to log on to this device. So let me just try to log on. So enter your password and then hit just click enter. So here we go. You can see that my Windows 10 just got started, and the resolution is not actually optimal. But if I go to File Explorer here and I go to this page, if I go to my local disk, here we can see we have the Windows old and the Windows. So we still have the Windows old here, because then you still have the opportunity to actually go back again to previous version of Windows, should in case you are not satisfied with Windows. And again, because this is a virtual machine, then you will need to actually reinstall the VMware tools on this device so that the resolution can be optimal. So this is how you upgrade your device from a Windows 8 operating system to a Windows 10 operating system.